Today let's talk about how to fix cannot verify identity on app. Now there can be a few cases why this might be happening. Firstly, what you need to ensure is that the date and time settings within your device is set to automatic. So simply head over to your date and time settings within your device and make sure that it is set to automatic. Once you complete this step, try to see if the issue is resolved. If the issue still persists, then what you'll also need to ensure is that the application has the camera as well as the biometrics permission. So what you simply need to do is tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon, head over to permission and make sure that the camera as well as the biometrics option is set to allow. Now even after trying both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. In this situation, what you'll need to ensure is that you disable any sort of network tools, which could be VPNs or any sort of custom DNSs that you might have enabled within your device, and make sure that you reinstall the application as well. So that's the way on how you can do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next video.